Hello everyone. I finally managed to get in touch with all of you. Question? Who the hell are you? And why are you here? Listen! I'm here to tell you guys information that's really important. Otherwise, things might not end up so pretty. Okay, hold up. Before you say anything else, I need to know, why are you here, who are you, and what do you want from us? Alright. 1, my name is Mangle. And 2, I guess I'll tell you my story. This is basically why I'm here. It was back in November. For many years I have been working on a railway called 8 Maples. I was a passenger engine there, and I enjoyed my life really well. There were other engines there who I was really good friends with as well. One engine that came in particular was an engine named Yandel. He was a really nice guy and was really sensible too, and always put the other engines who were younger in place. There were more steam engines there, of course, but there were also some diesels there, who, for the record, were really kind engines as well. But one day, things would change for the worst. Our manager, the stout director, came to our sheds to tell us some news.
Good morning, everyone. I have some very good news for all of you.
What is it, sir?
We have a new engine arriving today, and a diesel as well. So, technically 2. They will be helping you all out with your jobs. So, I want you 3 to go to the station and give him a warm welcome.
Yes, sir. Alright, so where's this new engine at?
Alright, everyone. I would like you all to give a very warm welcome to Bertram and David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Harwin. My name is Deco.
My name is Moira.
I'm Red Ted.
My name is Charles.
And I'm Rob.
Charmed to meet all of you. Yes, you all seem like very nice engines. I can't wait to get to working with you all.
And for a while, Bertram was doing a very good job. He got all of his jobs done on time, and the manager always congratulated him. And David, too. But even then I could tell something was up, but I could never put my buffer on it. I could often hear Bertram and David talking to each other, and whenever they saw me, they would immediately stop talking. But it wasn't just me who noticed this either. Sometimes the other engines would tell me that they also saw them talking about some strange stuff. They couldn't hear that well, but they also stopped talking whenever they were around. One day, I was leaving the sheds to go do my jobs. But when I finally got to the station, I was appalled at the sight that waited for me. When I got to the station, the only thing I saw was Harwin, although nothing was left of him. After the fire was put out, Charles went away and took Harwin's body with him. When he was taken to the works, they told us there was nothing they could do, and later that week, Harwin was scrapped. At the time, me and the other engines weren't sure what had happened, but later on, I would find out personally. Later that day, I was sent to go get a brand new coat of paint. I went to the works, and the workmen began to paint me. The workmen went on break a little while later, so as I was waiting to get repainted, I heard a loud gunshot sound.
Oh yes, target has been destroyed, Bertram.
Now let's get out of here before somebody spots us.
When I heard the gunshot sound, I immediately left the works to go see what had happened. I ran out of the works as fast as my wheels could go, but as I was leaving, I heard someone. Oh, Mangle, 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 always snooping around trying to see what we were doing. Well, now you know what we're doing. Your controller is dead, and now I can kill you. No. No, you won't, David. No, Mangle, please. Sorry to tell you, David, but it's over now. No! The last sound that David ever made was an explosion sound. He had crashed into some fuel tankers inside the shed, and he was destroyed in the impact. When I left and went back to my station, it was gone. It had been set on fire, and nothing was left. I looked up ahead, and I saw Bertram. I distinctly heard him saying,
The next stop is Mr. Richards' Railway.
I knew when I heard he mentioned your railway, I had to go and stop him. And while it took some time to get there, I finally made it one night.
Happy freaking Thanksgiving!
On the day of your Thanksgiving party last year, I finally made it to your railway. And afterwards, I knew Bertram hadn't come yet. So I stayed on your railway and hid for a long time, and watched you guys on all of your adventures. While Ernest, Stevie, and Gail were waiting for Steve. And that's how I got here, and what I've been doing this whole time. So you've been hiding on our railway for the past 9 months, and we've somehow never noticed you? Good God, Mangle, I'm sorry you had to go through all of that. I swear to God, whenever that son of a bitch comes over to your railway, I'm gonna fucking kill him! But after I do, I won't have any other place to go. No one will take me in. I'm a homeless engine now. No, you aren't, Mangle. You can stay on our railway. I'm sure Mr. Richards wouldn't mind having you. He didn't buy all these new engines recently for nothing, did he? Would you all really be willing to let me stay here? Of course, Mangle. Wow. This all happened really quickly, but thank you guys. You're really good with trucks, Mangle. Thank you, Maury. You know, there was this one truck just like you on my old railway. Her name was Moira. She was a brown truck.
On the air, on the air, leading the car down Leafy Lane, turning out Tarzan from my jungle jail. Anyone at all, Captain Zero, his brother superhero, standing by on call. And oh, it's not easy, no, it's not easy making real friends.
Should I do this job or disobey manager? Tough choice indeed. Oh, what the? What are you doing here? I... Tell me this. Where is Mr. Richards' railway at?
Mr. Richards Railway. It's at